Hi guys, hope everyone's doing well. Just thought I'd do a quick recap. So today is a very good example of what I look for when trading in balanced days. Obviously today we had a massive sell-off from the news early this morning. So there was a massive gap straight from the Globex Open. So DeepSeek news, obviously a new AI platform to rival ChatGPT was launched. I'll just give you a bit of the reason. So basically, they've launched a platform like ChatGPT, which is some say it's better than ChatGPT. It has better functions, and they've done that for a total cost of, I think it was like 7 or 8 million, which is now seriously made investors question America's AI going forward, due to how China are able to build something better than what America have done for a tiny fraction of the price. So you can imagine why there was a big sell-off. Anyway, so if I just come into, so this is before the RTH session started. So if I kind of zoom in on the bigger picture, the RTH was somewhere around here. Now you had this, if you look at the larger sort of composite, you had that little edge there where you've got a little ledge. So that was something I was looking at to see, right, do we continue to go short? So I was either looking for a break, retest, short, or break, retest and come higher. Now if I look at the Globex volume profile, so this is just going to show me Globex, right? So RTH started here, so we don't want to see that. So this is when Globex started. So we had this again. So you can see it's also the edge of Globex distribution. So if I was looking to short this, I'd want to see acceptance below this distribution edge. Let me just draw it, mark this distribution out. I'd want to see acceptance below there, and I'd probably target somewhere here, where you can see that little flat ledge there, that low volume pocket. So that would be my area to short within, break, retest, short, or long from above. And if I was longing, from here, then my target would be this high volume node somewhere up here, maybe even this flat ledge here. I ended up getting there because I trailed my stop and I got stopped out. But anyway, you kind of get the gist of it. So let me just mark out that area back again. RTH. If I just look at the RTH TP, I don't really look at this too much, but you can see. Sorry, that's the wrong one. So you can see here we opened just above previous balance area, strong balance area, came in, failed to hold inside. So that was my kind of area to go long from here, or break, retest inside value, come to the other side. Very similar as you see on here. VWAP, there was nothing to go off because VWAP was very skewed, as you can imagine, from such a huge there was a 1,000-point sell-off on NQ, which is massive. But anyway, another thing I was looking at was a 5-minute. I like to use a 5-minute chart just to look for imbalances. So where we had this zone, you can see there was a buy imbalance created right here, right? You can see that there was a buy imbalance created. Now if I look at the footprint chart, it's also highlighted a stacked imbalance in that area, right? And as we come in, you can see these sellers getting absorbed here. You can see that 144 popped above straight from the open. Now I was in two minds because I wanted to end up getting long from here, but I thought maybe we might come down further and actually tap into that. However, the way volatility was moving and the way price quickly just flew, I just entered straight away. So what I waited for, you can see sort of that candle high there. So this is the 25-minute candle just before the RTH open. So I waited for that sort of candle to get cleared there. Once we saw a huge momentum push, entered there. My stops were just somewhere down there, pushed all the way up. I was trailing my stop. Let me just show you my Ninja Trader. So yeah, entered here once that 5-minute candle high got cleared, entered right on that break, and then went all the way up. It was trailing, and then got stopped out eventually. So that was about 70 odd points. But essentially that's what I want to look for in imbalanced days. So there's two major things, right? If I just go back to Globex, you want to identify distributions within wherever price is. So obviously we opened up here. Now the reason why I was favoring buys is because price action wasn't really convincing here. So I was looking to see if that area would hold. So you look for these edge of the distributions on the Globex profile coming into RTH, and then another thing, like I said, what I like to look for is these imbalanced candles. So this happened pre-market, so this was a perfect break of that distribution. Whoops, sorry. There's a perfect break of that distribution, retest of that imbalance, and then come higher up. So yeah, hopefully that made sense. And I think that's it. I didn't really need to see anything on the timer sales, because the way price just started moving so quickly. I mean, you can see the timings here. So this open, this candle was 30.01, 30.10, 23, 33. Within 10 seconds we're creating new candles. So I just entered with that momentum after seeing those after seeing that absorption there, and that was pretty much it. So it's quite high risk, but yeah, I was confident in getting along at least a VWAP. Once I saw that imbalance candle created at that distribution edge, kind of gave me confidence that would come up to at least there, and we ended up coming now up to here. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Hopefully that made sense, and take care.